classroom experience is what made math interesting for me. And one of the ways in which my teachers brought math alive was through HeyMath. So a lot of times, especially in subjects like geometry and so on, I was not able to visualize what was happening. And I think HeyMath was a tool which really helped in that. When it was visually shown to us, we all immediately understood what the concept was about. And that turned out to be one of my favorite aspects of math. So I feel that HeyMath was really great in that sense and made maths more interesting and a subject that I look forward to. This sort of problem-solving method which one uses in math is something that I have carried through and I use even in work today. So I feel that way math is something that has remained with me.